Hi, good morning. So today what we're doing is a sewer repair for our customer. So we performed a camera scope from inside our homeowner's house. There was a clean out and found out when they had a sewer backup, it was due to a broken piece of side sewer outside. So when we had the camera in the line, we located out where it is, and that's the part that we have to dig down and fix. So instead of digging with the backhoe the entire line up, we're going to shoot the liner underground and trenchlessly replace it. So the side sewer is going to be replaced by just digging that one hole in the back right there. So with the whole process of a 3-day job, our customer is going to be able to stay in service and use our facilities without any interruption. When we dig it up, we have the permit already in place. We called in our locates. We'll install the liner, then SPU will come out and inspect the sewer line. Once the inspections are done, we put all the dirt back and we're all the way completed with the project.